Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Sharma. I am a climate educator and currently leading an initiative, Elementary Education Foundation, where I am trying to bring climate education to classroom and to empower any kids with climate skills, climate knowledge, so that they can lead some innovative project, change-making projects in their classrooms and in their schools. Climate change is one of the biggest crises we are facing right now, and it is high time that we empower our kids to tackle it, mitigate it and adapt to it. I started my journey as a Teach for India fellow in 2018, and during my fellowship I realized that climate education is very important to empower the local leaders, local young change makers who can change things at the grassroots level. And to do that, we started a fellowship program, Young Leaders for Climate Action Fellowship, where we every 6 months empower 30 young change makers. And in the fellowship program, we bring climate education, we bring mentors, so the students can work on diversity of projects around sustainable mobility, energy analysis, biodiversity maintenance, and also projects on carbon emissions in schools and their individual level. And these projects have been really successful in the past 2 years, where students have come with very innovative ideas. I strongly advocate climate education in classroom, and I believe that the current young generation has to be empowered, they has to be educated to tackle the climate change.
Hello everyone, my name is Muaz and we are the young climate leaders. We are trying to solve the climate issues in our school. Biodiversity is very important for our life. It is very important in our cities also. We are losing so much biodiversity due to the climate effects in our cities. The trees are cutting down, the species are getting extinct. So, we are trying to solve this by organizing a project on biodiversity in our school. We are mapping the birds, animals, insects and species in of our school.
मेरा नाम फरहान है और आप जितने भी यहाँ पे ट्रीज देख रहे हो, इंसेक्ट्स हुआ, जैसे प्लांट्स हुआ, और इनका मैं डेटा कलेक्ट करता हूँ और लेबल करता हूँ. ये डेटा हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बायोडाइवर्सिटी बचाने के लिए.
Hello, my name is Alina and my part is to document the data collected by our team and spread awareness in our classrooms. We find some new solution to plant more new tree species, protect animals and insects in our campus and our city.
Hello everyone, we are the young climate leaders and we are working on a sustainable mobility project, and my name is Sheikh Mantasha and I am leading the communicating part of our project.
मेरा नाम अयन चौहान है. मैं डेटा कलेक्शन करता हूँ कि स्टूडेंट्स साइकिल लेकर आते हैं, वैन में आते हैं, ऑटो में आते हैं, या कौन जो भी चीज़ है जिससे वो स्कूल आते हैं मैं वो कलेक्ट करता हूँ.
I am Zishan and I am handling research part of this project, and I found out that 11% of students are taking cycles from home, and whereas 70% of students are have cycle. And why this is happening? And we found out that majority of cycles males have more cycles. Majority है उनकी ज़्यादा साइकिल लेके आते हैं लड़के लोग, and लड़कियाँ कम लेते हैं. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि उनके पेरेंट्स कंसर्ट नहीं है, क्या अवेयरनेस है, और कुछ उनको सेफ राउट नहीं है, मतलब रास्ता एकदम क्लियर हो या ऐसा एक्सीडेंट होने के चांसेस हो ऐसे.
Hello, my name is Asrar. I am finding the safe and short route for the kids. They can come from their house.
So hello guys, my name is Arkam. So through this data and this researching, we will design the solution of our project.
Sustainable mobility is our future and cities has to turn to sustainable mobility.
Climate change is going to increase the global temperatures, and the grassroots impact of climate change in forms of cyclones, heat waves, floods has to be tackled at the grassroots. And for this we need to empower our young leaders. So I wish all the best to the young students, young people who are working in this field, and we should come together and in a very collaborative manner we should actually start bringing climate education to classrooms. We should start skilling up our young people, young youth, so that they can adjust to the climate economy that we are transitioning to, and we can have a green future further. Thank you very much.